All right, class, let's do something fun.
Hi everyone. Time for another trip, another fun adventure day. Today the Color Classroom is going to the Denver Natural Science Museum.
Museum of Nature and Science.
That's what I meant.
What?
Yep. It's gonna be
No,
fun.
it's the one in Denver, the big one with all the giant dinosaurs. And all the amazingness. Uh-huh.
It's gonna be great. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So, secretly there's a reason why we keep doing all of these trips that involve us going somewhere. It's because during the pandemic, being trapped in a really small house with 4 kids will drive you crazy. But you know, learning and stuff.
Green first. Okay, pink.
Careful.
Okay, blue. Blue with his matching buddy. Okay, orange, do you want to go sit with him?
Most contaminated thing in this entire
Oh,
place.
yeah. No, he doesn't want to. Alright.
Hey, orange.
Orange. Where?
Hey, blue.
Hey.
You ready to have fun?
Yes.
How about you, green?
Do you think I'm buddy? Yes, I am buddy.
Mama's right there.
Sup?
I don't know. What's up with you?
Pink.
Hi, Pink. How's it going?
Yeah, let's go.
You want to be in the wagon or no? What level? 3.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Who gets the fifth gallery?
Okay. Sure, we're gonna go with that.
Yeah. You guys look.
Right.
Whoa, we're high up.
Oh my gosh, we have 15 minutes and it's right there. So,
I'm good.
You don't want to go see the mummy?
No. No, I guess I could explore. Don't come over here. I love mini models. I love these mini models. I see a human. You do? Yeah, look. Outside.
so like your cheeks, more fatty tissue on them, which isn't a bad thing. But that's how they can shape a face.
And look at this.
That's a mummy.
I think so.
And then the mummy in the coffin.
Which is
And there's the coffin.
right there.
Is that an actual body?
Yeah. That's a mummy.
Why do we have this? Why do we have this at the Natural Museum?
Because it's history. Well, we made it to the Lego exhibit. So here we are. We're going to go in. We're going to see what there is.
Yeah. They always break. That's real cool.
White, gray, black, blue, orange, blue, green, yellow is green, yellow, red, black.
Wow. Great.
Look at the peace sign. That's the United Fist. Hey guys, look, another pencil.
There's the whole book is made out of Lego. Isn't that crazy? The whole thing is Lego.
Is this Mount St. Michel?
Look, come over here.
It's Papa.
This is pretty cool.
That don't make no. See, this one makes no sense, right? Turn that to that. Guys, this one is called X-ray. No, I pushing again.
Look. Look. Oh, green is found as awesome.
This one's weird because this guy's taking off his own head.
Yep. Hey, come here, buddy.
We have lost Pink.
No, she's right there. Hey, hey.
This is huge.
Hey, hey, no, we didn't see everything.
Everyone is walking, except for someone who is riding. Is that how Red Skull got his idea?
Yes.
Yeah?
That's how you got the queen.
I don't know, the Black Skull's pretty cool.
Water bottles?
I am a T-Rex. I am the best hunter.
It's really shiny, untouched by children Legos. Yeah, it's a twisted Lego. It's a twisted brick.
That's fun. I've got a bunch of Legos. Maybe we should make our own installation. What do you think?
Are we kicking someone out of another house to put it into?
Oh no, it's gonna fit like on the coffee table.
So we need the mini Legos.
No, it's just gonna be really simple.
Like a Lego.
Yeah. Hi. This camera zooms in really closely. Like all I got is your eyeballs, and now it's just a little. It was this thing right here. How's it
Should've
going?
gotten him kicking his butt.
Well, it's pointed the wrong direction. It's pointed at us.
Just go straight.
So,
You'll walk into it.
no butt picking. Just, inappropriate jokes. Here's the dad and mom bods. And that's how you become dad and mom bods.
Okay.
Look at that dog. Do you think that when this dog poops, it's literally called bricks?
I'm walking away from you now. Find the giant dragonfly.
Found it.
You can look at those. Stay here.
Why is it circling? Feel the salamander and they're squishy.
Thing laid eggs, and it was all creepy.
Are those living animals today?
No.
If you look up, that's actually not that deep. I could go sea diving in with somebody with this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We could do that in like Mexico or Florida or Texas.
Squeeze them to me.
Yeah? You're gonna become an underwater hunter, huh?
Whoa, that's a fish fossil. You know what, Charlie? Look at that fish fossil. Fish.
That's a cool fish.
Is this to turn or what?
It's showing you what the rock looked like on the outside before they cracked it open.
So look, this is what you just found, like this.
Yep.
Ooh, what's happened? Crack.
That's exactly what happens.
Like this. Ooh, crack. Ooh, I want to do this. Ooh. Look, it's that little like guy. Aww. Yeah, he's definitely eating that guy. Yeah, can we go, please?
Why?
We're looking in.
Yeah. Okay. You go look.
Blue here, and right now we're in this really cool exhibit of like nature. Hello.
Hi.
And I saw out this really cool thing. This. When you press the button, it lights up.
So I'm going to be trying to find a light on this map when I push it. So first, it's the Arizona Desert, which only lights up on the map. And next is Arizona Desert, which only lights up on the map. And next is the Penguin I don't know if I'm saying that right.
Well, that's... yeah. Here. I think
Hi.
I did something.
Nope, you're still recording. We're just gonna turn you off now.
Orange, what are you looking at? What's in there? What's in there? Boob? Yeah? Is that super cool? Do you need down? Ah. Look, there's birds. Come here. Can you get up there? Oh, good job. Carefully. Good job. Oh, down. Good job.
Yep.
Evil blue is good.
It may be scary.
Can I try it?
Sit like your sissy.
Maybe can I try it?
Yeah. Sit like. I'm not sure how to explain this. The squat?
Yeah.
Maybe can you try it? Stand up, please. No, you gotta. Come on. Let's go lift.
Why there are a bunch of hula hoops and other toys here at the Denver Museum of Natural Science? I don't know. That's possible. But you're gonna have to like tuck it into the bottom of this thing in order for. Oh, you might get him a different one. Oh, okay. I feel way better about that option.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna look at the.
Almost. Come on, try it again. Woo! What?
We're 3 till 11.
Yep, I concur. What was that information for?
I was gonna put you up my nose.
Yes! Still close.
We
Hi.
had talked about eating food
Yeah, we did.
at 11.
So basically,
Oh, so we should leave here or we should finish this up and then go eat?
Well, I don't know. Do we want to go to Botswana?
I mean, I'd prefer to eat here.
Well, if you do before lunch.
almost.
Hit Botswana.
Keep trying to do that.
It's pretty far way away.
It's just over there.
Okay. My duties and responsibilities have been usurped, and I could not be happier with that.
I wasn't supposed to That's
you gotta.
how they avoid the cheetah. So if the cheetah's going straight, you see that they're... I'm a little worried there for a second. My parents brought home a crocodile. Aren't they crocodiles over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, they brought home one of those as heads from Africa.
Cool. I've eaten one of those in Louisiana. Crazy. So if it moves, they eat it.
I've eaten crocodile.
It's like tripping weirdly.
Hey, everybody.
Hey,
Lunchtime.
Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
I have a hamburger that lives a free bun.
Yep, gluten-free bun. Yep. And I've got pizza because food. We all needed it.
Hey! What is that? What is it? Beep beep. Oh yeah? Is that so cool? Sissy left. Should we go find her?
Evening star, so the world might be created. But the evening star spoke and said, not until all is prepared can creation be fulfilled. She sent him to gather everything that a young child would need. A cradle board, a mat to lie upon, and water to make.
Whee! Oh my goodness. Daddy, come look. Show Daddy where the glass is. Yeah, it's down at the bottom. It's weirdly deceptive, though.
Hi. Can you say hi?
Always in distress. Beep beep. Yeah, the beep beep's over there.
Hi.
Hi. You ready?
This is weird.
Hey, we should grab our socks and shoes real fast.
Okay. Oh.
I see something weird. Oh, come over here, look. Look at
Look,
this.
ready?
At this. Wait. I saw it. You guys, I found something. Here.
Come here, let's.
What's this?
Sweet.
Hang on, ready?
I'm buffing. Wait. Ah, my hand, wait.
It's ultraviolet. Look, well, my glasses have ultraviolet protection at least. That's good.
Yep.
I can dye my
Ready?
hair.
Ready? And look at this. It's the infrared heat spectrum.
It does look like you're leaning on thin air.
Really,
Ow,
really
that
hot.
was hot.
Yeah, really hot.
Which one?
Oh, that's crazy.
Wait, what?
That one.
Like stamps.
That's what it's for. I didn't realize what it was for.
Oh my god. Film this.
That's really cool. You can even see the dimple in the center.
Hey, Dad, can I say something? I'm gonna blow all that off. Ew.
No. You did not do it, son. You did not do it. Ooh, trippy.
Floating. I love this place. I never want to leave.
This would be an awesome bedroom.
You really,
Is that all? Was that all? No. Cannot make me leave.
we've lost them.
Station! Guys, stop here, stop here. These were for the adults. What's in here? Clothes.
Where's the baby
It's a
carriage?
washing machine, guys.
I was like, how do
I
What do you
try
think?
the chair.
craziness behind you?
What is this?
You wanna,
Give me a look. So go right here.
Captain's log. Stardate.
Get right here.
Something or other.
Yes, sir.
Stuff has happened.
Then I'm
I don't know. Is this blowing?
Somebody aim the fire.
Aim and fire!
Yes.
Full speed ahead.
I need to check. Yeah.
Lieutenant Green and Pink, full speed ahead. Fire, 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 fire.
don't sit in the chair, spin the chair. You wanna sit with Daddy in the chair?
Come here.
We're going to vent.
Are you the captain?
Hey, kids.
We're going to vent.
Full speed ahead.
Yes.
Full speed ahead.
I need to check.
Lieutenants Green and Pink, full speed ahead. Fire, 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 fire.
Yeah, they're all over the museum.
See it. To infinity, me a little. Wait, it's a disco ball. To infinity.
The lack of what? Daddy, I think he's stuck.
Okay. Oh.
He got stuck in the core. You can do it. You can do it. Push. Push. You can do it. Keep going. That was really hard.
We're in the vents. Look, there's hostage.
Come on.
Woo, woo, woo.
Hello.
We're the imposters.
Yes.
Hey, do you have the? Okay.
Yes.
Flaring. Oh, look at me.
No.
Is it something that was built?
No.
Is it a single star?
No.
How do you get up here?
Center of a planet?
No.
Is it a specific named place?
Yes.
Other than type of place?
Yes.
Is it larger than our sun?
No.
Can
Hey
it
guys, we're in the vents. You cannot get.
Yes.
Could you walk around
You
there
cannot
in
get the
space?
imposters.
No.
We're in the vents.
Hey. Hey. Hi. Are you really, really tired?
Shh. We're gonna try and get them to be as quiet as possible, and we'll see what happens. They're all gonna fall asleep except one. That's my hope. It's just gonna be one that doesn't.
We're out here in front of a building. We're gonna go in and see if they have a particular pet. That's a no!